Let's glam this beautiful client of mine here, guys. So start with our foundation. You start with your foundation. You start with your foundation. You use your beauty blender to blend the foundation into our skin. After you must have done your skin prep, you blend it. You blend. You blend. You blend. Blending is key when it comes to makeup. If you don't blend your makeup well, it will not come out nice. So you blend with your damp beauty blender, and after that you go in with your cream blush. You can see where I'm placing my blush. After that you go in with your concealer to line your under eye. You go in with your concealer to line your under eye, and after that you use your damp beauty blender to dab it into the skin, and after that you use your brush to set everything in, and after that you go in to do your eyeshadow. So we are doing a smoky eyeshadow and a green glitter. So you go in with your eyeshadow. After doing your eyeshadow, you go to your lipstick. You go in to line your lip. Use a dark shade to line your lip, like a brown shade to line your upper and lower lid, and after that you go in with your lipstick. I think we are doing a nude colored lipstick. So after lining your upper and your lower lid, you blend, 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 blend it in like so. You blend, 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 blend. Make sure you blend it very well. Then for your lip not to crack, you have to exfoliate your lip. You exfoliate and moisturize your lip before lining your lip. So after we are done lining our upper and lower lip, we go in with our lipstick. This is like a nude pink shade of lipstick. So we're going in with the lipstick. You make sure you blend, and after that you set your whole face and you're done. Can you see how beautiful the makeup looks? This is so beautiful. This is gorgeous. This is fantabulous.